Hello everybody, welcome back to Inspiration to Creation with Candace. And first of all, I want to say welcome to all the new subscribers that I gained from doing the collab with Mina. I am so happy to have you here, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming videos. And if you'd like to, go ahead and click on my name or my picture and watch the videos that I have up already. I've got some really cute ones up there with my grandkids and a little bit of everything up there. So check those out as well if you like. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. That does help us out, and not just me, but all creators. And hit the like button if you like this video. Today we're doing something special. Well, special for me. I have been wanting to do these tiles, and I haven't been able to do it yet. I haven't found them, not the correct ones anyway. And so I found these at Lowe's, and they were 15 cents a piece, I believe. So I got 40 of them. That's 10 sets, and I paid like $6. So pretty cheap, pretty affordable. Today I'm going to be doing like a Dutch pour. I'm going to pour the paint inside, excuse me, the center, and then blow it out. And then separate them and let the paint roll over the sides. And I've got 4 set up over here as well. They're all taped on the back with masking tape. And also, when you go to buy your tiles, watch out that you don't get the ones with the knobs on the side. You don't want those. You want the sleek ones, the ones that have the flat surface, okay? So keep an eye out for those. And I have a whole bunch of paints, a lot of metallics, some flat paints, but this is what we have today. We have folk art, fire coral, and that is right here. Beautiful color. I love this color. And I've made them rather thin so that when I blow them out, they don't get all clumpy and hard to blow out. This one is one that I am excited to use. My cousin Tammy bought me a bunch of metallics paints for Christmas, and this was one of them. This is Garnet by Deco Art, Extreme Sheen. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this color. Oh my goodness, it is amazing. I cannot wait to use this one. All right, and we've got Craft Smart Native Turquoise, and that is this one. And we've got Deco Art. Oh, I'm sorry, wait a minute. Nope, that was this one. Sorry, that was this one. They've been sitting for a few minutes. Need to stir them all. That was this one. Deco Art Coastal Waters is this one. Isn't that pretty? I've seen Sandra Lett use this one, I believe, quite a bit. This is one of her favorite colors. And if you haven't seen her channel, go check her out as well. Sandra Lett. I believe it's L-E-T-T. She is an amazing artist. We have Deco Art Citrus Green, and that is this one. We have Deco Art Forest Green. A lot of Deco Arts today, huh? Okay, we got that one. This one's really pretty. This is Brush Gold by Folk Art. And that's this one right here. And again, I've made them all the same consistency. I used, well, what I do is I can't really afford a lot of products, and I wanted to try to put some gloss medium in my paint so that I would have the sheen finish when I was done. And I can't really afford to go buy the what is it called, Liquitex medium, what is it called, gloss medium and varnish. So I made my own. I took Floetrol and I took the Liquitex gloss varnish, not the medium but the varnish, and I mixed it together, and it actually works pretty good. So I put a little bit of that in there, And I put the paint, and with this paint I use 50-50 with a Floetrol, 1-to-1, and then I stir it up, and then with these I added a little bit of water because I did want a thinner consistency, because I am going to be doing the Dutch art, blowing it out and stuff. Alright, we have a Folk Art Color Shift. This is Orchid Flash. This is a really pretty color. I can't wait to use this one. I don't think I've used this one yet. I've used a couple of the Flash, the Color Shift paints, but I don't think I've used this one. Look at that. Look at that color. Isn't that amazing? I hope you're getting this on the camera. Oh, by the way, I have a new light, so let me know if this is better. I hope you can see things a lot better. We have Deco Art Silver. Is not extreme sheen. It's the metallic. Just says metallic. So there's the silver. This is really pretty too. Look at all that glitter in there. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So pretty. And this one I'm excited to use as well. Never used it. Tammy got me this one as also. Brushed Metal. It's Brushed Pearl Gold. Look at this color. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. So, so, so pretty. Alright, and we have Deco Art Amethyst. That's this color right here. I had to stir them up a little bit. I had them sitting for a few minutes to try to get the air bubbles out, because I have misplaced my torch. Midnight Blue Craft Smart Metallic. This one's real pretty too. Now I used this one in the video that I did with the light switches. Check that one out as well. It's pretty cool. This is a pretty color. I love the metallics. You're so pretty. Okay. This one is leftover paint. Oh goodness, stuck. Leftover paint that I had in my box over there. And I like the color, so I wanted to use it. I don't know what it is. It could be ultramarine. It could be, I don't know. So your guess is as good as mine there. And this is Artist Loft Copper. Just the plain old copper. I love copper. Okay, there we go. Let's move these out of the way so I don't make a huge mess with them. Because I am a tad bit clumsy. I tend to knock things over very easily. And I will admit it. Okay, there we go. Alright, first of all, what I want to do, I want to use the amethyst. I want to use, the garnet and the midnight blue, silver, and let's see, what color shall we use? What color shall we add? What do you think? You think this one? Let's see what happens. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do like this around the center. And then let's do the coral. Midnight blue. And the silver. Okay, now we're going to take our hair dryer, move these out of the way so I don't blow paint everywhere, and we're going to blow it out from the center out. First of all, I'm going to put, I've already flooded the tiles with the white, so I'm going to put a small amount surrounding it. All right. Here we go. Well, that is very pretty. I would like a little bit more blue in here. So let's take our blue, drop a little bit there. The tile with my hair dryer, so let's fix that. Do the Color Flash pink. And some silver. All right. A little too white right there, but I do like these. That turned out better than the coral. Actually, all this around here, that's pretty neat looking, huh? Pretty cool. Okay, I don't like that white, all that white right there, so let's get that off. That's better. I like that much better. Okay, so let's separate them and let the paint fall down on the sides. Oh, we got suction going on here. There we go. There we go. Wow, I was stuck. This turned out pretty cool. I'm gonna fix my thumbprints on the corner. There we go. Oh, I like them. They turned out good. I love that garnet. The red one is so pretty. Thank you, Tammy. All right, so what you do after that, you're gonna wanna scrape your edges because this will pull your paint off of the tile. So make sure you go around and do that. You may have to do it a couple of times. Make sure your edges are covered up with the paint. And I'll finish these up off camera. Just touch them up with your finger if you need to. I think they turned out pretty good. Tell me what you guys think. Comment in the Make a comment in the comment sections. Tell me if you like it or not. And also, if you guys have any color suggestions, please let me know. So I'll be more than happy to try them. Okay, that's it for them. Well, that silver really shines. Look at that. It turned out really pretty. That garnet is so beautiful. Got a shadow. That light works better though, I think. Y'all tell me what you think. I think it's better. A little bit of a glare, but it sure brightens up the workspace. Okay guys, here is the dried result of the first coasters that I did. I've got them outside in the sun so you can see how shimmery they are with the silver and the metallic garnet midnight blue in them. I'm not real thrilled with this one. They turned out okay, but I'm not real thrilled with it. It's not like, wow, these are so cool. But they turned out okay. I'm just learning. I would like to get some of those primary effects. I think I'm going to try to get just a few colors to try. So there you have it, the dried result. Here, let me try to pick it up, see if I can show you. Yeah, there you go. Don't mind my dirty table. There it is. There's the glimmer. Isn't that pretty? That part turned out really cool. But the color combination I'm not real thrilled with. However, gotta try it, right? Alright guys, well I'm sorry I haven't put up a video in a while. We've got a few things going on here. My father-in-law just passed away a month ago. So we've been having troubles with that. Trying to get through the process and things like that. And plus this virus thing going around and having to go to the store and fight for food, basically. It's ridiculous. Everybody's going to the store and hoarding everything, and I can't find a pack of hamburger anywhere in my town. It is just unbelievable. But we'll get through it. We'll get through it. The good thing is if we are quarantined, we can all make videos, do a lot of paintings, have some fun. Alright guys, well, this is it for this one. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you did, and subscribe if you haven't. And I thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Bye.